Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to edit the multi-leader. So we can just edit the multi-leader using grips. Simply I will just click over here and you can see three grips over here and we can just edit with these grips. And I will just hover this mouse over this grip and you can see some options like stretch, lengthen leading and add leader. So if you want to just stretch the leader, you can just click over here and you can just stretch this one. Okay, I will place it somewhere over here and again I will hover this over this grip, and the next option is lengthen landing. So if you want to just increase the space of this landing, this is the landing area, you can just use this option lengthen landing. So I will click over here and I will move it somewhere over here, and you can see here the landing length is going to increase here. Okay, now if you want to just add more leader, you can just add that one as well. For example, this is the option for add leader. I will click over here and with this leader I can just add more leader as well. So I want to just place it somewhere over here and you can just add multiple leaders here. Okay, so right click and I will escape this one. Now for example, I will just select this one from here and I want to just hover this mouse cursor over this arrow, and we have some options here as well. And there is a stretch option, add vertex and remove leader. So right now I want to just remove, for example I want to remove this leader, okay, and this leader as well from here. And again I will go here and I want to add vertex here as okay. So I will click over here and I want to just click over somewhere here. Okay, so the new vertex has been added here and now we have arrow over here. Okay, so this is how we can just add vertex as well. Now we have just some more options regarding editing leader. I will go here in annotate tab and we have this leader panel here. Okay, and we have some these options here. So here you can see, let me just escape it over here. Okay, and here you can see one of the option, that is add leader. So if you want to just add, you can add from here as well. I will click over here and then at command line you can see select a multi leader. So I will just select this leader for example, and I can just add a leader with this option as well. Let me just escape this from here, and the next option here is remove leader. If you want to just remove any leader, so I will click over here and then you can see here it is just prompting a select a leader that you want to remove. Okay, so I will select this and then you can see here it is just prompting a specified leader to remove. So we can just select either this leader or this leader. So in this case I want to remove this one, so I will just select this one and I will hit enter. Now this leader has been deleted here. Now the next option here is align. You can see you can just align the leaders as well. For example, we have these three leaders and I want to align all of these three. So in this case I will click over here. Okay, then I will select all of the leaders that I want to align. Okay, then I will hit enter. Now at command line it is just prompting as select a multi leader to align. So in this case we have to just give a reference leader. So I will just give this leader as a reference leader and then I will hit enter. Now you can see these leaders are going to align with respect to these blocks. Okay, A, B and C. Now these are aligned. Now the next option here is collect. We can just collect different leaders in one leader as well. The thing is that the leader should be in blocks like this circle, hexagon, not like in text. Okay, so I will just click over here, then it is asking as select a multi leader. So I will select all of these as I want to collect in one leader. I will hit enter. Now you will notice here I will click over somewhere here and these three multi leaders are going to collect in one leader, and we have A, B and C options here. Okay, so this will be only applied on blocks, whether it is triangular or it is hexagon or it is this circular. Okay, so these were some options regarding editing leader. In next tutorial we will learn about how to create own leader in AutoCAD. So I will see you in the next.